Alright. Welcome everybody. Today's gonna be a quick recap on how I missed my trade due to literally paying attention in math class. I understand why everyone says talking to a female is bad. I was talking to the only female that I sat next to because I missed classes. I'm like, can you catch me up on everything? She's like, sure. And she proceeds to tell me we have a test, and I'm like, okay, that's calm. And then turns out that I missed my entry on both NASDAQ and ES, but I was mainly focusing on ES. But today we're gonna go over them, and yeah, if you hear a background, house is getting worked on, so let's get right on into it. So coming into today on the daily bias, I literally got TradingView Premium by the way, so that's pretty tough. I got the free trial because it's a free trial. Free trials are always tough, and I think this will actually like help with my trading. So nonetheless, we ended up coming into today high time frame daily bias. I was bearish on today. We ended up disrespecting this 4 hour gap right here. From Asia session, we ended up disrespecting this 4 hour gap. On top of that, on the hourly, we ended up consolidating as well. Coming into this high time frame key level, which was this fair value gap as well. We also tapped into this. Oh no, this is on Nasdaq. I'm tripping. But on Nasdaq, we ended up tapping into this high time frame key level, which was this high time frame what you call it? Hello, I cannot speak. Uh, Imbalance. On ES, however, we ended up tapping into this high time frame order block, high time frame uh imbalance as well. And overall, my whole trend was just biased. I mean, just bearish. Just the way we were just supporting bearish order flow. I see no reason for us to even want to go long. Like even on the 4 hour, we were obviously bearish with the way it was. Like it was mainly kind of choppy, but we ended up breaking structure on the 4 hour. Ended up breaking structure on the 4 hour right around here during London session. So pretty obvious to me that not obvious, but with the way the trend was working, it was looking like we were gonna be bearish for today. And due to we also had this daily gap, but I wasn't really focused on the daily gap to be honest. But yeah, coming on to today, let's go on to the hourly, however, because this is what I was really looking at. We came up, took out these session highs. Excuse me. We came up, took out these session highs on ES, and also creating a 5 minute SMT when market opened. And this is where the fun really begins. On Nasdaq, ended up creating a 5 minute SMT. Okay, whoa, pause. Okay, we ended up creating a 5 minute SMT right here on Nasdaq, supporting this not high time frame, supporting this supporting this bearish imbalance. From there, we ended up filling the imbalance, and then we ended up getting confirmation out. Same thing here. We ended up, excuse me, ended up coming into this order block, obviously inverting it, not inverting it, but supporting it. Ended up creating this SMT, and then from there, we were also in this 15-minute imbalance that we ended up inverting. So from there, I was like, okay, we're definitely bearish. Price is going the way I want it to go. We created this 5 minute SMT. It's time to get our hands sticky. I scaled down to the 1 minute. From there, we had a 1 minute breaker block, waiting for an entry. We got a retrace. I was ready to click enter, but I was literally writing down everything that I missed in my math class. I was taking notes from one of someone that sits next to me, and I ended up missing two entries. Obviously, the main entry would have been ES because this was the lagging indicator, and the entry that I missed was this fair value gap entry. Hello, if you could, okay, was this fair value gap entry. This was very unfortunate. Price ended up coming into the fair value gap, buying pressure out. What did we get? And then boom, literally just clips to the downside. Um, Taking up the main take profits, which were London session lows. We just booked previous day lows literally a couple minutes ago. And I think price would want to fill in this. I mean, we're already filling in this imbalance more, but I think price would want to fill in this imbalance a little bit more. And then perhaps sometime this week we'll probably want to come out for the new week opening gap, but that is on NQ. Okay, not that. Yeah, we'll probably want to come out for this new week opening gap. Bruh. We'll probably want to come out for this new week opening gap sometime this week. I don't think so today. I think we're just gonna try to fill in that daily order block. I'm gonna order block that daily imbalance. But I do think sometime this week we do hopefully would want to come down to this uh new week opening gap. But besides that, yeah, that's pretty much all that there really is for today's recap. Today was pretty solid. Like today was definitely a W trading day that I unfortunately missed because of math. Like never again am I just gonna freaking pay attention to math. Obviously I'm lying, but like, bruh, I should have paid more attention. But I mean, it's like the freedom with trading. Like literally, like you could be anywhere as long as you know how to read a chart, know your strategy, know what goes with what. You should be straight. And literally everything was on my strategy. Only thing that we didn't have was any 3-minute PDRAs being disrespected. That's what I usually want. I usually want a 3-minute PDRA being disrespected as well before I scale down to the 1 minute. But I'm guessing with SMTs, I think I'm just gonna start to just scale down to this. As soon as I get a 5-minute SMT, I'm just gonna scale down to the 1 minute and just get nasty from there. Because that's pretty much what it was. Literally, everything hit right before the macro. Macro started, ended up flooding to the face. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the trade recap. I literally posted about it, me ranting on freaking TikTok because I was like, damn, I can't believe I just missed this entry. This is literally a sexy day for freaking shorts. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow's recap. Reason why there was no recaps on the day before is literally because I just been really busy. But to sum it up, I got spit on the other day. I summed it up in my TikTok actually. If you guys want to go see my TikTok, you guys can. It'll be linked down below in the description. But to pretty much sum it up, I literally just got spit on because of my executions. Actually, hold on. Let me see, cause I was talking to my friend about this. Let me see if I could like, whoa. Let me see if I could show you guys a screenshot of literally me getting spit on. Like pause, by the way. But genuinely, like it was so bad. Like my trade was actually like decent. My trade entry was bad, but like we ended up hitting all take profits like literally later on during the day. Um, I don't know if you guys hold on. This was um I don't know if it tells the date. Hold on. Hold on. Monday. Oh, this was Monday, bro. This was wait, was this Monday or was this Friday? Hold on 1 second. Okay, this was Friday. I ended up getting smacked on Friday. Ended up getting smacked on Monday as well. No, I didn't get smacked on Monday. I don't think I took any trade. Yeah, I didn't take any trades Monday. Yesterday, I missed my entry due to an inverse fair value gap, which was just, I don't even want to go on about it. I think I might just start trading inverse fair value gaps now, to be honest. If all the narratives line up, I don't know why. I just don't do that because I see an inverse fair value gap, and then from there, I see a regular imbalance form. Price doesn't retrace into the regular imbalance, and then now I'm realizing it's because like that's the protected. Well, the inverse fair value gap is technically the protected draw, so there would really be no reason to even come back down to retrace before we continued higher. Obviously, in some scenarios we do, but like in most cases there's not. So I might just take like the inversion from now on. But yeah, bro. I literally got spit on. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me just my executions are literally on. I entered, and then literally all my only confluence that I only entered. Okay, wow. Only confluence that I really entered off of this was literally just order flow and equilibrium. I should have just waited for a freaking um. I should have just waited for a whatchamacallit, for my original fair value gap to get respected. I didn't get that, and then my stop loss even more screwed me over, and I ended up getting freaking wicked stop rated like 2 minutes later. Hold on, let me see. I ended up getting stop rated like 2 minutes later. I don't know if you guys can see. And what did price do? Price literally rallied to all my take profits that I knew it, cause bro, I'm not gonna lie, I got spit on. But it's really the part of the game, to be honest. But yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Love you. Peace.